Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another Latin series video on samba. All right, so today we're going to talk about um, what I call the Brazilian clave. Okay, it's a pattern that's played a lot, felt and implied a lot in Brazilian music. Okay, so. What I want to do first is just play it first and foremost, okay? And this pattern is going to be done with the left hand, okay? And these examples I'm going to be showing you. So let me just play it for you first, okay? And then we'll go from there, okay? Let's check it out. Okay, so that's the Brazilian clave pattern. I'm sure you guys have heard that because it's used a lot, not just in Brazilian music. Okay, so so the goal is we're going to be playing that with the left hand. Okay, the goal now is just to pick what you want to do with your right hand. Now you can do the jazz samba pattern, the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. Okay, if you want, that's maybe a good starting point. Or and from there you can maybe even then choose a tambourine pattern to do with the Brazilian clave against it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you both of those. I'm going to do the jazz samba, and I'll pick a random tambourine variation pattern to do with it. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, so there you go. So there's a couple of the previous right hand ideas that we've done with the Brazilian clave pattern against it. Okay, so that might be a good starting point. And you can also move the left hand around a little bit, hit some do some tom hits if you want. So definitely experiment with that. Okay, but what I want to show you is just a unique, more specific idea how I like to play this a lot. Okay. So this pattern I'm going to show you now is linear, okay, very linear between the right and the left hand. And the sticking is right, right, left. I'm serious. Right, right, left, okay? So it's going to be right, right, left all the way through the bar. But then at the end of the phrase on the of 4, as you come back to count one, you'll have to play three right hands to get the pattern rolling again. Okay, so let me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the pattern really slow between the right and the left hand, so you can kind of see what I'm saying. But you're going to go 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E. Okay, so you see there right at the end, as I go from the of 4 back to the beginning, I have to play three rights to restart the pattern. Okay, but other than that, it's right, right, left, right, right, left. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is just play the pattern. Actually, play it for you, relatively slowly, and then with just the hands, and then I'll add the feet to it. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so there you go. So as you can tell, it's a really, really cool pattern that I definitely probably, well, I was going to say I play it more at faster speeds, but I also play it at slower speeds as well, in a more bossa nova type fashion, okay, which we'll be talking about here real soon. But that's a great pattern, okay? Now, a slight variation I do to this is I add a bell head in there, okay? All right, so the way this is going to work, okay, is that the general sticking is right, right, left, right? That second right, I'm going to make it a bell head. So I'm going to go right, right, like that. Right, right, left, 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 right, right, left. Okay, so that second right hand of the double right is going to be a bell head. Okay, so now things are going to get a little bit more interesting. All right, so I'll play that nice and slow, just to hands, and then I'll bring it up to speed. Okay, guys, there you go, Brazilian Clave. All right. So that's one of my favorite patterns to play. And again, it sounds great slow. It sounds great fast, medium tempos. Experiment. Okay. But again, this the left hand Brazilian Clave pattern can go with any right hand idea. So experiment. Okay. And that's going to wrap this up. So stay tuned, and got more videos to come. All right, guys, take care. See ya.